She's really dirty. I gotta get her cleaned up. She hasn't been this dirty, well, for a long time. But check it out. Look at the dirt on this thing, will ya? Yeah. I'm gonna go through here. The bikini bike wash. Yes, I'm at Sturgis still. This young lady here gonna be washing my bike.
Yes, I am.
All right.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. There we are, the bikini bike wash. She's in there. Can you see it? Yeah. They do a good job of really washing the bikes. And they're not bad to look at. This is like the first exit coming from the west into Sturgis. Still pretty busy. This is the 5th. This is Friday. Everything will be coming to an end soon. No kidding, huh? Right off by the lovely Megan. She did an excellent job getting that dirt off my bike.
Yeah,
it looks really good. Look at that. All nice and clean now. How dirty she was. Now look at the great job that Megan has done. Cleaned it all up.
I'm gonna grab one more dry towel.
Okay. Getting down.